We'll guide you through how to transfer photos and files from an Android to a PC or laptop with a USB cable. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps you want to go and have a backup of them, or you just want to go and store them on your computer or go and share and edit them. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started, you need to go and grab the cable, which you go and use to go and charge your phone. Let's go and plug it in, just like so. Plug it in into the charging port. Then what you need to do is you need to go and plug the other end into your computer as well. You'll go and get a pop-up. If it's the first time you do this, you may sometimes get a pop-up on your phone as well. Make sure you have it unlocked like this. Now what you want to do is go and drag down on your phone like so, and you need to go and find the option for USB 4. You can go and tap on it to expand it and go and scroll like this. Tap it again so you can go and see the USB options. You need to make sure you select transferring files like so. That gives us the right permissions. Now you want to come onto your computer. We can do this differently for if we're just transferring files, or you want to do this with photos and videos, as is an easier way. So if you're doing this to do files, what you can do is you can open up your file explorer, scroll up or down on the left and go and find this PC, and then you should go and find your phone here, and you can go and double click on it like so. Then you can come into internal storage and you can navigate here and find the files you want. For example, I can come into my documents and here they are here. So I want to go and put this onto my computer or this one. All you need to do is go and click and hold and it'll go and make a copy like so. If you've got photos and videos, it's much easier to use the Photos app to press search at the bottom, and you can go and type in photos and then open up the app. Go to the top right and press import, and you can select your phone. Wait for this to load. Select the ones you want. You can go and select them all if you wish at the top. Then you can press the import button in the top right. You can go and choose where. I'll just go and put them into my pictures just here. I'll put them into my pictures folder and press import and wait, and then you can press pictures and you'll be taken to them. In your file explorer, you can then go and locate where you went and imported them to. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.